Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. I'm here at Charleston Harbor Marina on Patriots Point in Mount Pleasant, and I'm very excited to show you a gorgeous boat from Galeon, the 385 HTS. Starting off with the exterior of the boat, this is a 2-cabin express-style cruiser from Galeon. Starting off with some spec information, though it's called the 385 HTS, the hull length on the boat is 39 feet 4 inches, and the length overall is 44 feet 4 inches. She's got a dry weight, 23,000 pounds, a beam of 12 feet 10 inches, a maximum draft of 41 inches, and a minimum draft of just 31 inches with the drives up. You can see we've got this really large, expansive swim platform, or we call the teak beach. This boat is great for backing up to a sandbar or a beach. We've got a lift-assisted stainless steel with teak steps, telescoping swim ladder. This entire aft portion of the cockpit seating area is also a powered tender garage. So with the touch of a button, I can open up this entire space, and now I've got tons of accommodations for storage. I can store inflatable paddle boards, all kinds of water toys, anything that you need for a long weekend or a great day on the water with the family. As we board the boat, we do have a really large, substantial cockpit door. Keeps the dogs or small children safely inside. Great socializing area in the cockpit. Large pedestal table that's adjustable. Great wraparound seating. Got cup holders conveniently placed and storage beneath the seats. Access to your engine compartment is just down below. This boat is also equipped with an 8 kW generator from Fisher Panda. We've got a refrigerator, an electric Kenyon grill, and a wet bar sink, and then storage beneath. To the port side, got a really large, expansive aft-facing lounge seat, which makes it very comfortable and accommodating for afternoon or sunset cruises. Looking forward, great visibility and natural light on the 385 HTS from Galeon. Single piece windshield, 2 large stainless steel supported windshield wipers. Above, we do have a powered retractable roof within the fiberglass hardtop. At the helm, we've got an adjustable bolster. And we have a couple of options for foot support with this fold-down teak step. We've got a window at the helm for the driver. This boat is powered by D6 370s, diesel stern drives from Volvo Penta, with joystick included. Really well-appointed helm area. Leather-wrapped steering wheel is on an adjustable tilt. Large touchscreen from Ray Marine. Of course, all my gauges are conveniently placed. We've got AC at the helm, stereo remote, autopilot from Ray Marine, digital start and stops, all my rocker switches, and most importantly, 2 very conveniently placed cup holders. Now let's check out the accommodations down below. So here down below on the 385 HTS from Galeon, we've got nice L-shaped seating at the dinette. Really well done wood table that's adjustable. Great natural lighting. Got a flat screen television from Samsung right behind me. Lots of storage above. This is the high gloss walnut finish. Again, you can see we've got great natural lighting overhead that is maintained throughout the entire boat. Solid surface countertops with dedicated storage for your sink cover. We've got a 2-basin stainless steel sink, 2-burner cooktop, and a microwave from Samsung just above. Storage cabinets above the counters. Nice seamless refrigerator tucked away. And then, as we've come to expect from Galeon, no shortage of storage space and every square inch is utilized with a Lazy Susan style storage cabinet for here for dry goods, and then 2 pull-out drawers as well. Moving forward, we've got 2 accesses to the forward head. This would be considered the day head. That can also be accessed by those in the master suite. This head area has 2 doors that open and close in either direction. So you can see we've got a lot of room to work in the shower, a lot of headroom. It's easy to get in and out, and good natural lighting as well. Full length mirror. And then moving forward to the master suite, great natural lighting above, which is very nice, especially if you have to come down in foul weather. This isn't going to feel like a cave by any means. You've got storage throughout the boat on both sides, hull side windows as well. This finish that you'll notice throughout the boat is an Alcantara suede. Gives the boat a really soft, comfortable, warm feeling. We've got a large hanging closet to the port side, and then another mirror with storage on the door. Beneath the berth, another area for storage with a pull-out drawer. And then to the starboard side, we got another flat screen TV from Samsung and another settee area. So here in the aft cabin on the 385 HTS from Galeon, your guests do have their own separate head, full-length mirror, a lot of space to maneuver and walk around, settee to port, and then we have 2 twin berths that can slide together and form a single berth with storage beneath the mattresses. Now we'll make our way back upstairs and check out the bow seating. So as we make our way to the bow on the 385 HTS, we do have a lot of real estate to walk around with high stanchions and rails for safety. A lot of real estate here at the bow area. You can see how Galeon accomplishes that great natural lighting in the forward master suite with how they configure their bow seating. Currently stowed away are 2 large sun pads that would go on either side of the glass. Great shot of the visibility and natural light from Galeon. Again, single piece windshield, lots of ventilation with that hard top open. Overall, just a really versatile and great boat from Galeon Yachts, and one that would be phenomenal for the Charleston area. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're located on Daniel Island. If you'd like any interest in seeing any of our Galeon yachts, including the 385 HTS, please give us a call at 843-747-1889. We'd be happy to make an appointment at our marina at Charleston Harbor Marina and Resort at Patriots Point in Mount Pleasant. Again, I'm Carl Anderson, and thanks for watching.